Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cass. I am super sick right now, but I wanted to just come in really quick and just show you guys how I achieved these nails. This was a super fail. Like, I failed really horribly. These nails did not last. Not even, I think they lasted probably a day because I just messed up so much. Even though I had watched a ton of videos, this is just like it was a very good learning process because I learned so many things with what not to do when it comes to doing your own nails at home. I am going to be doing a haul of all of the stuff that I got from Aliexpress because I got like the nail polishes and the UV light from Aliexpress. So I'll be doing a separate video on that for you guys so that way you can see it. In the meantime though, I'm going to just let this video kind of play. It's kind of like very therapeutic to just watch. When I was going back and editing, I was like, oh wow, this is like really nice. And they look like they came out great, but I went through such a struggle. Anyways, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoy this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Also, do not come for me about anything that I'm doing wrong in this video. Like I said, this is my first time. I watched some videos here and there, but I am not a nail professional. I'm just a girl trying to save a quick coin, baby, okay? But if you do have some helpful tips, please let your girl know. One thing I will say I did absolutely wrong in this video is definitely applying too many layers, confusing gel polish with regular nail polish. Like, you know, if you can just cake on coats and, you know, and eventually it'll chip down and whatever and it'll still look okay. But with gel polish, too many coats, especially with the fact that I used a peel off base coat, that's what definitely made my nails pop off so easily the next day because it was just too many layers. Had I just did like 2 solid layers on top of the base, it would have been perfect, but I did 3 or 4 because I kept messing them up. Another tip, guys, make sure that you're cleaning up around your nails. I wish I would have used the glue method. I was actually talking to one of my friends about it, and he said that his nieces use glue. Thanks, Keys. So next time I'm going to definitely be using some glue around my nails to help keep them clean, because where I went wrong as well is I actually painted my nails and I had forgot to clean up my nails, and I quickly remembered right after I put my hand under the lamp, so I quickly moved it. Like, it was probably under there for 2 seconds, but as soon as I took it out, it literally started drooping down as if like rainwater was falling on my nail. So basically, once the coat is under the UV light, you have to let it dry, because if you don't, then it'll just start to move because it just starts to activate it. It was just a mess, y'all, a mess.